There are a number of factors, and a lot of it could be down to the organisation. So a number of applications, they will lose support of the underlying systems they have. So databases may go out of support way beyond the life of the actual code that's written. So how do you extend applications? Well, there's a potential to take an application and containerize it. There's a potential to take an application and put it onto a virtual environment. But what you need to look at is really how maintainable something is and how much work you need to put in to keep it going. And actually, can you keep it going? So it's widely quoted, there's lots of COBOL applications running in insurance that have been around for 20, 25 years. Now, one of the reasons is that it has such complicated code in there that it's very hard to emulate and take and put somewhere else. It has to be rewritten, really, and there's a huge risk to the business in doing that. But what you can do is you can potentially replace some of those parts which are working in an application and host them outside. So you might want to take, let's say, a tax calculation, view that as a microservice for tax calculation, and just call that. So over time, you can take out complex bits of code from a monolithic application and create a microservice to perform the same function. So potentially, you can extend the life of an application by doing that. But ultimately, the time to rewrite really comes down to, can I maintain it? Is the hardware and software worth maintaining? Can this be insured, if you like, from a point of view of support for any reason? Or are there newer technologies which actually address the problem better and more performantly?